Hello everyone, welcome to Web3PM. Today is episode number 30. It doesn't seem like so long we are doing Web3PM. Hey Gini, it just seems like yesterday was the first episode and we were just trying to figure it out ki bhai, how we will do Web3PM.
It
But
always feels
Web3PM,
like new.
yeah, and Web3PM is a place where we talk about work and talk about all the things which we will be going in production this week. And here we come and chill. And as you can see, we have all our team members joining in right now. Let's go and see. Hi to them. So, hey team.
Hello,
Hello.
Hi, hi
hello, Pons.
everyone.
Hello, Shakti.
I
Hello. So, how are you guys?
Doing great.
great.
Hustling,
Great. That's
hustling day and
great. That's
night.
great.
Always hustling.
That's good to hear from you all guys. So,
Yes.
today is only four of us. I see.
Yeah.
Will other be joining? I know that Rohit won't be joining, but let's wait for some times and see if other team members joins or not. I feel Devon and Suraj and Bhumik should come. Till the time we
Yeah.
can talk about anything interesting in Web3 space. What do you see, Vicky? Anything interesting going on in Web3 space?
Yeah, you've been exploring more and more
Yeah,
nowadays.
Yes, actually.
So,
Yeah, I mean, I think we should also talk about what's happening in Web3 space, considering
right.
how fast our like the gasless ecosystem that we came up with is now catching up pace. Like we saw a bunch of other products which are doing gasless transactions. But then again, I mean, with all the market study, we are realizing that there is no one like us in the market.
Oh,
The big differentiator being advertisement layer that we are putting.
right.
So yeah, I mean, this is a good prospect where we are heading, and also we are in talks with our partnership like advertisers. So
Okay.
that's going well. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. So all of the non-tech team is
Yeah.
right now focusing on the partnership side of things from WalletX,
Yes.
I believe.
Yes. I
That's
think that is of essence right now. We
great.
need users. Of course, we have a great product, but now
Uh,
the product needs to be used, and we are reaching a lot of people. Like within a
oh,
day, we reached a lot of people. We are holding meetings almost every day. So
mm.
that's going great.
That's so nice to hear because us as developers we don't have enough time to focus on all those other things and work on them. But thank you for all the
Yeah,
non-tech
I mean,
teams
it's
to
because you guys have made such a great product. That is why we are selling. But
yeah,
both goes hand in hand. If we
right.
have the product which is so great, we need people to use it,
Uh,
and that is what we are trying to get. So anybody, any help is great by anyone. I mean, we are
right.
building a community here. It's gonna be big.
Agreed.
yes. So
Agreed.
what we need to realize is, uh, it's the first time an advertiser reaches a wallet. Till now,
Yes,
advertiser were targeting a
yes,
user
Right.
in the sense an email ID on a social media,
right.
or a username. But for the
Mm,
first
Yeah,
time, you're reaching directly to a wallet, and you can derive a lot of things from the wallet. Like for example, what is the frequency of transaction for that particular wallet?
yes,
What kind of transaction does that wallet make? Is it an airdrop hunter? Is it a DeFi shenanigan kind of a person? You
oh,
correct.
can derive a lot of insights, and you can directly target the audience
cream,
that you want.
cream de la
Yeah,
cream, like how
yeah.
our
Creme.
CMO
Creme de
says.
la creme.
Yes.
Yeah,
Creme
yeah,
de
yeah.
la
Yeah.
creme.
Today I was explaining this to one of my friends, and I realized this is a win-win-win situation. If
Exactly.
we can put it properly out there, how it is a win, because I was talking to him, and because now I'm like learning deeply since I'm getting into marketing side of things. I'm learning deeply about WalletX features that I did not know in that direction. But now that I learned, it is a win-win-win situation for user, for advertiser, for us.
Right.
So the
Yes.
community entirely thrives. It's not
Right.
just a person is making the benefit and other person is not. This
Yes.
is a good system that we have created.
So with this winning thing, so how you guys can win? You guys can download WalletX, enjoy gasless transactions, and win in life by saving a lot of money through gas fees which you spend, right? So before uh, taking it further, let's go and hop to our engineering tracker and see how things are going from that perspective. So Arjun sir, please take
Yes,
over the
yes.
stage, and then we will continue the uh, conversation, and we will talk to all the people who will be coming into live stream and chat with them. So here you go, Arjun. Take
Cool.
the lead.
As usual, I'll start with you, Shakti.
Yeah,
Yes.
sure. So from my side, I have been working on the user flow of onboarding flow, user onboarding flow, and it is almost completed. The front end side. Yesterday, I was not able to complete it. Yesterday was a timeline given to me by myself, but today I will be able to finish it. Only two minor models are remaining. Other than that, everything will be completed. But I will need your help in the backend part of it. It won't
Integration.
take time. It will be just 2 to 3 hours, not more than that. But
Yeah.
we will be good to go, and we will be delivering the best user experience to all our users who will be coming and onboarding to our new WalletX, and they will enjoy and they will love doing gasless transactions, and they won't have to worry about all those other things when they are just figuring out to get a wallet and whatnot to just do a transaction, simple transaction, right?
No more
And
hassle of setting up the pass key.
yes, yeah, no,
If
no
you
more.
want, you still can, but
Yeah,
not a necessity now.
not a necessity now, and it will save a lot of hassle through our users as well. But other than that, I will be working on user dashboard as soon as it finishes, but my major priority right now is completing the user flow, and I have also updated the settings page, although I haven't written it here on the task card, but I have added some few things that the users will really love to have, and some necessary things which were not present earlier, but it is not now there. And yeah, other than that, that's it. Yep, that's it from my side.
Cool. Cool. Yes, Sandy.
Yes, from my side, I was also working on extension, and I created a few PRs that was remaining.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's all.
So,
That's
Yeah.
all from my side.
anything ongoing right now?
No, I
uh,
was just uh, seeing
Sa-
the code of user dashboard.
okay, Sandy is also helping me with some animations which I wanted on the extension side of things, and a few normal screens which I wanted some help in. So yeah.
Got it. Cool. Yes, Vicky.
Yeah, so as I said, like I'm mostly looking in this direction right now, uh, learning about the BD team and
Yeah.
reaching out to people. So today I reached out to 5 to 6 people who could be our potential partners. I've created a group with them, a couple of them, and we are in talks. So right now I'm in the learning phase of the BD department. That is where I am right now.
Crazy. Yes, I'll move to Devon.
Hello.
Hello.
So currently, I've completed the Soul NFT part,
Hmm.
and as Vicky has said that he's learning in BD part. So also, I'm also from non-tech side, so
Yeah.
I'm also doing the same, but currently not reached to anyone right now. But yeah, I'm in that state. So yeah,
Yeah. But you're attending all the calls and
yeah.
everything.
That
Cool.
is nice.
Interesting.
Yeah, what were you doing, Arjun sir?
Arey baap re.
Yes. That
That
was
is
unexpected.
coming out of nowhere, yeah.
So I have couple of things that needs to go in this release. So I was fixing the bug where a user can. I'll
Claim.
exploit it. I won't say that.
Yes, yes, yes.
So I was fixing that bug. The bug is fixed, and I
Bug
just
is
need to.
fixed.
Yeah,
Yes.
not. I haven't deployed. I just need to do one round of testing, and then.
Okay,
We'll
so I can still exploit that feature.
You
I'll
shouldn't.
apply
You
the end of
shouldn't,
the
brother. You shouldn't. You are a part of our team, and
I know, man. Okay.
I can also access your EXPs if you.
yeah. Then you will be
Don't
negative, huh?
make that a problem.
Negative.
So yeah, apart from that, I need to create an API where the user, once they complete that transaction, the transaction details will be stored in our backend so that we can have better insights into this and not having to query mixed panel all the time.
Yeah. To
Hmm.
give them rewards.
Yes. So it will be faster. It will be better also. So I'll create that API on the Node.js side and I'll integrate that with the extension. So that also has to go in this release. Apart from that, yeah. Apart from that, I think Apart from that, we have to optimize on the user dashboard side.
Right.
So any APIs, any changes that needs to be there, I'll
Yeah.
do that also. So
Yes.
these three things majorly.
Okay, so let's focus on the user dashboard part of things for the next release, I believe, है ना? This week, let's focus on mainly on the extension part, and we will push all those minor fixes, and the major ones will be done on the next week, like whatever we had decided from earlier, right?
Right. Right.
Yes.
So I believe that ends our engineering tracker section, and let's see. We don't have any other people joining us for today. Let's see if there is anyone in the chat. No, there is no one. But still, you can be here whenever you see video and share your address here, and we will surely reward you on your user dashboard. Till the time, you can just go and check out user dashboard through this link. And why will you check out user dashboard? Because you will get a lot of rewards. A lot of upcoming rewards are there. And why will you get rewards? Sandeep, can you explain me why users will get rewards?
Put in the spotlight.
Don't you know? Don't you know why the user will get?
No, no, I wanted to ask you. That's why.
Why wouldn't someone want rewards?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
correct.
The nature of rewards in itself
yeah.
is that
So intriguing that
it's
everyone
never
wants.
enough to have rewards.
Yeah. So, but I just wanted to know how can they have or they claim rewards and what do they have to do, Sandeep? Just let
We
me know.
have multiple articles on Medium.
Go
There
to
is one of them.
Okay, so let's not.
Like people will find everything over there.
That's true. Sandeep gave a
Nee,
answer.
user can explore WalletX and get rewards and do multiple tasks to get
Okay.
rewards and many more.
Yeah.
Like we have a lot of tasks, a lot of rewards.
What tasks we have?
For that, you'll need to go to our dashboard. Link is right here.
Nice
Yeah, that
one.
makes
Nice
sense.
one.
I'll have to download to know what tasks there are, right? I will
Yeah.
have to
Yeah,
take
yeah.
some effort. Only then I'll get rewarded.
Right.
Some
Yeah.
You're
effort.
absolutely right.
Yeah. So
So,
users download WalletX and
yeah,
figure out.
that is nice. So, what do you guys say? Let me ask a question. Okay. So,
Hmm.
everyone, I will ask it from everyone. What is your favorite thing of WalletX? Like favorite, maybe favorite piece of code, favorite part, favorite the whatever thing you enjoy in WalletX. Just one thing. You have to name one thing. Huh?
the
Okay.
team.
So, okay.
Like
Let's
Arjun
start with
has two.
Arjun.
Arjun is
The
like, I
team.
have two. I have five.
Let's start with Arjun. Arjun gives the best answer, so we will start with him. Then
What
we
did
can
you say?
iterate on.
So my favorite thing about WalletX is the team more
Okay.
than the
I
product.
was going to say the same. Why?
Sorry,
Isliye I
sorry.
raised my hand first.
Not the product, but the team.
Copy.
That's
Chalo,
nice.
Okay.
that is given. That is given.
After that, now let
After
me
that,
think.
No, no,
yeah,
no, no.
yeah,
It's
that's a
fine. It's
given. I think
fine.
everyone's answer is that, right?
And you
We
can't say
have tried
myself,
so hard
okay?
because we love. Uh,
Okay, then.
Some smarty
Other.
minds will come along and say,
Okay. Other than that, what else? What else? Arjun, as everyone is saying. Other than that team and
I think the seamless process of extension
the
of
seamless
transaction.
process of extension, like the
Because extension is very smooth, I guess.
okay,
It's very
right.
smooth and very smooth.
From
the,
what point are you saying the gasless transaction point of view or the
Yeah,
onboarding?
transactions point of
Okay,
view and
transaction. That's nice. Agreed.
yeah,
so
and
the fact that whenever we encounter any bugs or after we designed and built and released an entire flow, we can
Right.
just go back to the drawing board,
Yeah.
recreate the whole flow from scratch, redesign the whole flow from scratch, and
Right.
release it in a week or two.
Right. That's something big that we are able to achieve. What about you, Devon? What about you?
Personally, I really like the concept of soul NFT,
Oh,
and
acha, you are working on it, so that's why you are really
yeah,
attached to
yeah.
that. That's great.
I'm just expecting when going to release. So, yep, जैसे ही आएगा तो देखते हैं
Huh.
कैसा होता है.
That's nice, and everyone is like looking out for that because I'm really excited that whatever the things that we will be able to do after Soul NFTs, the first the first NFTs that can be stolen from others' wallet. That is so epic to just even think of. And
Correct.
yeah, other than that, what about you, Vicky? So, what's your favorite
So
thing?
on the business side of it, I feel I just realized today what I love about WalletX is it's so simple to explain that it is a win-win-win situation.
Ah,
So that is something that I loved in terms of business aspect. But personally, I feel ki it is actually helping each one of us grow in our particular field, and we are getting to learn so much, about development of a company, of an organization, of a big,
yeah,
you know, we can't even
un-
imagine right now something out of
understandable.
thin air we have created. That is it, right?
Understandable.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are exploring the territory that was unexplored,
Yeah.
or we are creating
Yeah,
a blue
today in the
ocean for
call I was
ourselves.
mentioning, right?
Yeah,
Since like when I wake up in the morning, it's like WalletX, what do we do about it? And by the end of the day, it's also like this. So
yeah,
actually, it's like motivating and rewarding in itself, the building process and the learning of it.
yeah.
So this is what I think about WalletX. Yeah.
That is nice. So,
What about you?
from my side, I'll have to say that all the things you guys have said already, and but the one thing that Arjun emphasized on, we are able to go to our drawing board and do it all again. That's the one thing that I really like, because I have been doing it for so long that and the thing is, for a kid like me, for a 20-year-old kid like me, and getting an opportunity to work with all these crazy minds, like BK has a really good background in photography and he has a lot of knowledge. He has seen world in a different view. Arjun is such a great coder. Devon is learning and is like a brother to me because he's like elder to me. And Sandy is like my old brother. And Suraj is something crazy. Like he's a good coder. I don't know how to senior developer. And Bhumik is something different. And like that, Rohit sir is so great at marketing. So as a 20-year-old kid like me, who is like very interested in other people, I want to learn from them, and they see, and I'm able to see these gold mines around me, and I'm able to work with them. That is just something epic. Even
Yeah, contributing to WalletX.
yeah,
That's what we
I'm
mean.
just trying to say team, but in a different way. But
नहीं I was thinking कि contributing to this art
yeah, like Arjun says, coding is an
is
art,
great
poetry.
and
Yeah,
अच्छा लगता है भाई.
my main thing is that only, that we are able to go back and iterate on all our things that we are doing and make it more better, make it more usable, make it more uh, intuitive for users sake, and let users enjoy gasless transaction without worrying about any other mundane task and all those hassles that they have to go through, right? So yeah, that's it from my side. Now I don't have any other questions. I tried my best to be a good host for today. But now you guys have to help me with some questions
You're
right
always a
now.
good host. Why? What makes you question that?
Yeah, thank you so much. It's just my
Everybody
my
knows it.
nervousness, I would say. Sometimes
Yeah.
because I don't like
I'll tell you an
silence.
interesting. Tell you an interesting thing that I read today
Yeah.
in Web3 world. Uh, so BlackRock has done its first Web3 integration,
Oh.
right? So in my opinion, these Web2 investors, institutional investors, they are getting into Web3 domain. They might be looking for projects that can, that they can invest in because their nature is investor. They're big
Yeah.
investors. So that
Understood.
opens a whole big world
Right.
for us and for projects like us.
Right.
So that was a very interesting piece of data that I found
Okay.
today.
So do you know anything about like how they are implementing a blockchain in their system?
They are
Any
mostly
sort of
going
data?
with real world assets. So I don't know
Okay.
actually very too much into deep, but then
Okay.
what I understand by it is they are looking into Web3 projects, right?
Okay.
Because they hold Bitcoin. That means they will have to interact in some way with
Right.
the Web3 world, and
Right.
I believe that this opens a big opportunity for everyone in Web3 space.
Right. Maybe I'm thinking something around these lines. Maybe tokenization of stocks themselves might be available
It
for
will happen. Yeah, 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 yeah,
yeah,
yeah, yeah. That was something that I read. That tokenization of the stocks will happen.
stocks will
You know,
happen,
that
right?
is,
But
It's
that
already.
yeah,
Uh, it's called synthetic assets.
yeah,
So there
I
is
know.
synthetics.io, I think.
Yeah,
It
yeah. They,
is.
okay.
I believe they launched. It was like 2 3 years back. They launched rocket to the moon regarding that to market themselves.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
was synthetics.io.
yeah. They did.
Okay.
They did something like that to just
What do
gain.
they do?
They
We can discuss about interesting projects like this
yeah.
could be added to our theme of
We shouldn't just discuss about it. We should bring some people who are building these projects,
Hmm.
right?
I mean, that would
Thus
be
will
great. Yes,
yeah. Thus
yes.
thus
Are you
will
guys
great.
reaching out to them? You guys were
Yeah,
doing.
Yeah, I mean, we are reaching out. We can definitely. Right now, we are opting only to talk to them about business. But
yeah,
maybe if we find something interesting, then why not? Yeah,
yeah,
we
yeah.
only can do it. The non-tech side of things,
Reaching out,
we
right?
can
Hmm.
take up
Correct.
this and add people to our calls and
Yes,
talk
maybe
about it.
that will be a really great thing if you guys will be able to help us regarding scheduling all these
Yeah,
people for our Web3PM shows. Maybe I'll just give you the days
yeah,
where we will need people, and then we can just allot uh,
yeah.
assign people on
But
those
until then,
days.
yeah, until then, I think this is a great idea because uh, as we go, like as I researched in the market today, I figured ki there are so many interesting projects.
Right,
Like, you know, we are doing something interesting. Yes, nobody like that is doing anything. Like nobody is doing something like that. But
right.
interesting in another other ways. You know,
Other
Web3
ways.
world is a whole new world,
Yeah. It is
completely
every
very
day
into a
a new shit happens, and we are just going crazy all on of these things. But
yes,
yeah,
it's
that's so nice, and we will really love to host all those people who will like to join our stream. Till the time, let's wrap this call. I believe it's good time, and
yes,
we did a 15-minute stream, and everything we wrapped it up quite nicely. I believe we
yeah,
had a good talk,
yes,
although we didn't have all our team members present today, but it's fine. They are working on the background, and they are making it possible for us to be able to do all these things. Thank you very much for our team to joining in. And other than that, till the time, you guys can keep enjoying gasless transactions, and just let us know whatever you feel like. Come on to Discord and let us know how we can help you. Join Telegram, join Discord, spread some love. Till that time, enjoy gasless transactions. Bye,
See you.
team.
Cheers.
yeah.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, it takes a bit of time
In
to
case
just
we have
transition into this.